How to change plan on Netflix. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change plan on Netflix. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com. Then press enter to search it. Now make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. Once logged in, you will reach to this page. At the right top, you will find your profile icon. Hover your cursor to your profile icon and there you will find the drop down menu. From the drop down menu, click on this account option right here and then you will be taken to your account settings. Here you will find change plan option under quick links. You just simply have to click on this option and you will reach to this page. Here you can see your current plan you have selected. Now if you want to change the plan, you can select other plans available here. Whether you want to switch to mobile, basic or premium, choose the one that best suits your need. Once you have found the plan that you want to change, then click on the plan and then click on this continue button right here. At the right side of the plan, you will find the amount that you will have to pay to subscribe to the plan that you have selected. So by following these steps, you can easily change your plan on Netflix. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.